Unscrew the valve cap from the valve. Turn the nut 1 or 2 turns and let the air completely out. Loosen the lock ring a few turns. Around the full circumference of the tire, press the tire away from the rim flange in the direction of the center of the rim. This makes removing the tire easier. Place a Continental tire lever close to the valve on the lower edge of the tire and lift the tire sidewall over the rim flange. Keep the lever in this position. Place a second lever along between the rim and the tire at a distance of roughly 10 centimeters from the first, and again lift the tire sidewall over the rim flange. After a portion of the tire sidewall has been lifted over the flange of the rim, the side can usually be extricated from the rim around the complete circumference by slowly sliding the tire lever along, or often just by hand. Remove the valve stem and rotate the nut completely. Now you can remove the tube. In the event of a flat tire, leave the valve in the rim for the time being. Inflate the tube to locate the leak. When you have found the defect, examine it closely. 2 elongated parallel slits indicate what is called a snakebite defect. Examine the tire area and make sure that the tire sidewall is not damaged. If it is, you should replace the tire immediately. If it is a single hole, it is generally a puncture. What caused the puncture may still be sticking in the tire. You can see if this is the case by feeling along inside the tire. If so, remove the object. Replace the tire if it has been damaged. If in doubt, contact a Continental specialist dealer for advice. Remove the valve stem and rotate the nut completely. Remove the tube. If need be, you can simply remove the other tire sidewall from the rim. For your own safety, replace the tube after a flat. Mount the tire as Continental describes. Once the tire is mounted, make sure it is correctly inflated and correctly seated on the rim. Check before the onward journey if the braking surfaces or the discs are still free of grease and other lubricants after the installation. Check whether the brake pads come into contact with the brake surfaces. Check to make sure the wheels are securely fastened. Before continuing to cycle, check your brakes while stationary. The brake pads must not touch the sides of the tires. When you brake, they have to make full contact with the rim.